Having your cup, having your pins, and lighting the candle will help you be more competent as you leave the halls of the classroom. The graduate attribute starts today because you should be critical thinkers, considering that we will be handling life.
As you move forward, I encourage you to strive for excellence in every task, no matter how small. Build competence through continuous learning and practice. Uphold integrity in all your actions, and most importantly, commit yourself to a life of service.
Always be passionate about providing care, delivering excellent health care, and upholding the ethics and values of the nursing profession. Strive for competence at all times. Do not turn your back on your
Learn how to care for others, but also grow in your ways you never imagined. Remember, every lesson and experience will
Together, we shall illuminate the path, inspiring transformative change and fostering hope.
Down seas a mountain, no way around it. Face sees a picture, no doubt about it. Fear sees the ceiling, hope sees the stars. Love be the light inside of our hearts. We are limitless, 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 limitless.
What makes a nurse, I might say, is more than the cap, the pill, and the lamp they carry. But behind the symbols are excellence and competence that gives them the passion